Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing fine. So today we're going to make a very special dish. It is a common Indian dish and it is often cooked in our houses. So today we'll be making chole or you can also call it chickpea curry. So now you'll say ये तो कितनी सिंपल डिश है, मेरी मॉम हमेशा बनाती रहती है, इसमें क्या इतना डिफिकल्ट है. बट नहीं, इस बार तुम बनाओगे and your mom will taste it and then we'll see how it goes.
So I've taken this chickpeas or chole. So this is what we get here in Ireland. So what I've done is that I've allowed them to soak overnight. As you can see, these will double up in size. So I'll be pressure cooking them. So I'll be making around 2 portions. So you can take the quantity accordingly. To this I'll be adding twice as that much of water. And we'll be adding a special ingredient to it. Yes, we'll be adding tea. So tea gives a good flavor to the chole and it also gives a good dark color to the curry. Just take 1 tea bag, add some hot water, give it a quick stir and add this to your pressure cooker. Also add some salt and we'll be doing 3 whistles. One, 2 and 3. That's it. So I have taken 1 big onion, 3 small tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 green chilies and some ginger. So I'll be roughly chopping them as I'll be grinding them later. But if you don't have a grinder, you can finely chop them. This will help in making a fine gravy. I've taken 3 potatoes, these are optional. I've cut them into chunks and I'll be boiling them for around 5 to 6 minutes as I want a bite in them. I'll be taking some oil. To this I'll be adding some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chili, garlic, ginger and hing. I'll add the onions, saute them. I'll add the tomatoes and then a pinch of garam masala powder and some salt to taste. We'll be adding chole masala to this. If you don't have chole masala, you can add coriander powder, cumin seed powder and some amchur powder, that is the dry mango powder. So allow this to cook and when you're happy with it, grind this into fine puree. So I'll be taking the same pan, I'll be adding a knob of butter so that the masala or the sauce doesn't stick at the bottom. Add the masala, give it a quick stir. So our chole are ready. As you can see, the tea has given a good dark color. Make sure they are cooked. Oh, they look perfect. So add the chole and the potatoes to your masala and give a quick stir. Also make sure you're not throwing away the chole water. This has good flavor and we'll be adding it to the curry. Mix it well and also add some lemon juice to give that tangy flavor and add a touch of sugar to cut the spiciness of the masalas. And lastly we'll be adding the chole water. So if you want a thick consistency, just add a small bit of water. So we'll be covering this with a lid and we will allow it to simmer for around 5 to 6 minutes. Also make sure your gas is on low flame. Make sure your potatoes are cooked. Yeah, they're perfect. So now it's time to eat. You can have it with rice, you can have it with chapati, roti. Traditionally chole are eaten with bhature. Bhature is nothing but a fried bread. Add a dash of lemon and a spoonful of ghee.
That's really good. Guys, do try this at home and let me know how it goes. Until then, see you next time.